Mood of verbs. What is mood? A mood denotes the manner or way of using a finite verb in a sentence. The traditional grammar groups the mood under three heads. First, indicative. Second, imperative. Third, subjunctive. Note: the traditional indicative mood includes statement and interrogation. Formerly, the infinitive also was called a mood, but modern grammarians do not regard it as such because it merely names the action in an indefinite way without reference to the mode or manner. However, modern grammar groups the mood under four heads. 1. Declarative. 2. Interrogative. 3. Imperative. 4. Subjunctive. Declarative mood. Making statements. Rules and examples. First, to state a fact. Example: I go to school. He or she goes to school. Affirmative or negative? He does not go to school. They went to school. Active or passive? It is done by me. It is not done by me. Second, to express an opinion. I think he is a scholar. It is good that you are here. Third, to make a promise. Example: I must do it in time. Fourth, to put emphasis by dummy do. Example: I do hereby authorize you. I did see her in the coffee house. Fifth, to express condition. Example: if it rains, I shall stay at home. Or supposition taken as a fact: if you come, I will go. Sixth, to ask a question to confirm something. Example: so you are satisfied? Beginning with a conjunction. Example: then you think it is right? Interrogative mood. Yes or no questions with WH questions. Yes or no questions. Are you well? Is it true? Have you found your book? Do you like it? Does he play cricket? WH questions. Who are you? What is your name? Which is your umbrella? Where are you going now? When will you come again? WH words are who, whose, whom, which, what, when, where, why, how. Verbs or helping verbs come before the subject in interrogative mood. Who, what, which do not take any operator, that is helping verb, when they are used as the subject. Who is he? What is your intention? Interrogative sentences always end with the question mark. Imperative mood. Command, request, etc. Rules and their examples. First rule: to give orders or command. Example: come here, go there, stop talking. Second, to give force by putting you in front of the verb. You shut up. Third, to give advice, exhortation. Example: be steady, be sensible. Don't be afraid of them. Try to do better. Fourth, to give instruction. Boil the egg for 3 minutes. Don't put your hand in boiling water. Fifth, to give direction. Turn to the left first, then right, then go ahead. Sixth, to give warning. Stop talking or you will be punished. Look out, there is a snake. Seventh, to make request. Please open the door. Come in, please. Eighth, to make an offer or invitation. Example, have a cup of tea. 9th, to put emphasis by dummy do. Do come on my birthday. 10th, to make a prayer or entreaty. Example, save me, help, help. Have pity on me. 11th, to express supposition. Read and you will learn. 12th, to express prohibition. Keep off the grass. 13th, using let. Let me do this. Let him come. The imperative mood is used in the present tense in the second person. The subject of the verb you is usually omitted. The sentence starts with the root verb. Let takes the objective form of pronouns of first and third persons, such as let me, let us, let him, let them. The sentences in imperative mood usually end with a full stop. Subjunctive mood. Optative sentences, an imaginary condition. The subjunctive mood may be divided into two groups. 1. Present subjunctive. 2. Past subjunctive. Present subjunctive. Rules and examples. First, to express wish or prayer. Example, may you live long. May you be happy. Second, to express proposal or intention. Mind that the letter be written. It is resolved that his resignation be accepted. Third, in the subclause of condition. If that be the case, we are helpless. Past subjunctive. Rules and examples. First, after, if in imaginary condition. If I were you, I should not do that. Second, after, wish in imaginary situation. I wish it were Sunday. I wish I knew her name. Third, after as if or as though to indicate unreality or improbability. Example, she behaves as if she is a queen. He walks as though he were drunk. Fourth, after would rather plus verb plus subject to indicate preference. I would rather wish you went by air. Fifth, after it is time plus subject to imply that it is late. It is time we started. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.